In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add and set an ATR trailing stop loss in TradingView. So once you are signed into your TradingView account, go to Supercharts so you have your chart open. Now look at the top bar and click on Indicators. In the search bar, type ATR Trailing Stop Loss. You will see a list of different ATR trailing stop indicators created by the TradingView community. They may look slightly different, but they work the same way. They calculate stops based on average true range. I'm going to click on the first one, and as you can see, it instantly appears on our chart. Now, if you look in the top left corner of the chart, you will see the indicator name. Hover over it and click on the little gear icon to open the settings. Here you will see the input settings, so this is where you can change things like ATR period, the HHV period, and the multiplier value. If you want tighter stops, lower the multiplier. If you want the stop loss to give more breathing room, increase the multiplier. So this gives you control based on your trading style. Next, go to the Style tab. Here you can change line colors, thickness, you can turn off certain visual lines if you want it light cleaner, and you can also enable bar colors if you want your candles to change color based on trend direction. And if you want the indicator to only show on certain time frames, click Visibility and adjust it there. So that is how you add and customize the ATR Trailing Stop Loss indicator in TradingView. This is a really helpful tool for traders who want dynamic stop levels based on market volatility instead of just fixed stop losses. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more TradingView tutorials.